As the question says, a monochromatic light source of intensity 5 milliwatt emits 8 into 10 to the power 15 photons per second. This light ejects photoelectrons from a metal surface. The stopping potential for this setup is 2 volts. Calculate the work function of the metal. So what I would suggest you is to write the relation whatever you know. And we all know that the energy is basically the work function phi plus the kinetic energy of the photoelectron, right? And the kinetic energy of the photoelectron is equal to the energy corresponding to the stopping potential. So it will be corresponding to the 2 volts. So the thing left over here is to find this energy E, which is basically the energy of each photon or hc by lambda. What was happening on this surface? There was coming a photon, it was giving the electron the work function phi, and then it was emitting with the energy, kinetic energy Ke. So there was a photon having an energy E, total energy, that is hc by lambda. But you can see that we have not been given the lambda for this photon, and there is no way rather here to find this lambda. So all of this information goes in finding the E, because everything else are we having or we need to find out. So the thing here I will tell you is, this has been given the intensity. Rather I would say this is the power, because milliwatt is the unit of power. So this is the power given over here. Now power is total energy upon total time t, and this is the photons per second, that is the total number of photons ph upon total time. And we need to find the energy of each photon, which is basically the total energy upon the total number of photons, this thing. So how can you find by these two things? It is simply E by T divided by pH by T, right? So what I can write over here is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, this is the watt, upon 8 into 10 to the power 15 is equals to 5 plus kinetic energy, which is 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Why? Because it will be corresponding energy will be 2 electron volts, and we need to convert that into joules, which gives us the work function phi to be 3.05 into 10 to the power minus 19, or 1.906 electron volts. All I would like to mention is that this was in joules. I converted it into the electron volts to get this value. And this is actually the required value, which is the work function of the metal.